Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix AliExpress your account is temporarily locked. Alright, so let's begin. Sometimes when you try logging in, you may see a message saying your account is temporarily locked. This can happen for several reasons. For example, if someone has tried to log into your account without permission, or if you've entered the wrong password multiple times, AliExpress might temporarily lock your account for security reasons. When this happens, you won't be able to log in using the mobile app. To fix this, you need to go to the official website, which is aliexpress.com. On the homepage, you'll see the Sign In and Register buttons at the top right. Click on Sign In, then enter your email address and continue. From there, you'll see a security verification step, usually with a slider. Complete the slider verification, and then you'll be prompted to either enter your password or reset it. Make sure you enter the correct password from this point on, and you should be able to log back into your account. However, in some cases, if your account violated AliExpress's terms and conditions, it could be permanently disabled. This happens in extreme cases where certain activities are not allowed on the platform. If this is the case, you won't be able to recover your account and will need to create a new one. But if it's only a temporary lock, simply use the website instead of the mobile app, log in with your email and password, and you should be able to recover access without issues. And that's about it. So that's basically how you can fix AliExpress your account is temporarily locked. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.